Let's talk about stock picks. How do you pick your stocks? I've been picking stocks for 35 years. I'm a value investor. I'm also a momentum trader. But most of the time, I work in the value area as opposed to momentum, because momentum is a game of musical chairs. In other words, who's left standing at the end is the one that gets killed. So with momentum investing, you have to know when to get out. Most people do not know when to get out. In the internet craze, when do you get out? Here we are in a recessionary environment which will continue for at least another year. The stock market will bottom. This is something we deal with every day. The market will bottom prior to the end of the recession. So while we're still deep into the recession, the market will bottom and it will begin a rally. When it begins its real rally, it will be up thousands of points in a flash. So you will not have time to get in at that point. You will already miss most of the gains that will be made. Stocks will be up 50–60% in a matter of days to a week to 10 days. People will say, oh, I'll wait for a pullback, then I'll go in again. It never pulls back once this real rally starts. In the meantime, what you've got going on here are 1,000-point, 1,200, 1,500-point trading moves. And frankly, and I'm surprised at it, we've been able to make more money in this environment than we normally make in the last 8 years. Because of the compression of the move. It used to take a year to move 1,500, 1,800 points. Now we see 1,000-point moves in 3–4 days. So we come in when they look bad, when they're getting scalped again, and then we go out as they appear to be toppy to us. We're not hogs, we're not pigs. I mean, that's how we do it at StocksAtBottom.com. But this is a technique of finding stock picks. All right, we go for quality companies. You want to do stock picks? You want quality companies. Why? Because if it all goes against you, you want to know that the companies are still going to be in business. That's what stock picks are all about. You never want to lose 100% of your investment. So we suggest you stay away from the cheap stuff. Unless you've got a great company with a world-renowned name that's fallen to a level. I mean, Citigroup. Citigroup got down to $2, $3 per share. You know the government is not going to let Citigroup fail. So Citigroup was a natural buy. And at $2, $3 per share, let me let you in on a secret in terms of stock picks. You're going to find hundreds of stocks trading, world-renowned companies, $2 to $5 per share before this market is over, before we go into the next bull cycle. It's no different than 1973, 1974, and I was there. I saw it. World-renowned companies, over 100 of them, maybe 200 of them, trading down to levels of $3, $4 per share. Metro Media, Henry Singleton's Teledyne, ITT, GD Searle. I mean, you had over 100 companies like that. Ross Perot's Electronic Data Processing, all right? This is the way you make money in the market. This is how you handle your stock picks. You want to know more? Come visit the website. Have a great day. Bye-bye now.